guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vedika. I am a self-learned makeup enthusiast and I love vlogging makeup looks that I do on myself. So today's look is gonna be very soft turquoise ocean blue eyes, and along with that I am also going to show you my full face makeup. If you would like to see how I do it, then please keep watching. I like to start off with my eyebrows, and for that I am using this brow palette and a flat angular brush. Taking the deep brown shade from the brow palette, I am going to outline my brows in the desired shape. And now using the same color, I am going to fill in the sparse areas of my brow. For cleaning around my eyebrows, I'll be using a concealer, and for that I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in creamy beige and a flat concealer brush. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to take the same concealer and put it all over my eyelids so that I get a clean canvas to work upon. For setting up my concealer, I am going to use a translucent loose powder. This is from Sugar, and using a blush brush, I am going to set that all up before it starts creasing. For eyeshadow, I'll be using my favorite Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette from the Beauty Glazed, and I'm going to take this deep brown shade. Using a large eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dab the deep brown shade into my natural crease line and then blending it out with the help of a large blending brush. For softening my crease, I'm going to take this light brown shade and I'm going to place it just above the darker shade. And again, blending all of this together. To deepen the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to apply this black eyeshadow using a medium flat eyeshadow brush. I am also extending this black eyeshadow to my crease so that it all looks well blended. Using this dark circle eraser concealer from Maybelline in the shade Ivory, I am going to cut my inner crease. Making sure that the concealer is still tacky, I'm going to take this soft shimmer turquoise shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it all over the concealer using a medium angular eyeshadow brush. To get a smooth transition from turquoise to black, I'm going to be using this cobalt eyeshadow and placing it just where both of these eyeshadows meet and then blending it all over using a flat pencil brush. For lining my eyes, I'm going to be using the Colossal liner from Maybelline in the shade Black. For mascara, I'm gonna be using my favorite Lash Hero Eye Widening Lash Reviver Mascara from the Body Shop. Moving on to the face, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face using this Moisture Surge Gel Cream from Clinique. Using the flat foundation brush, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Warm Nude. To get rid of the brush strokes and also to blend it all in, I'm using this beauty blender. Also extending my foundation to the neck so that there's no mismatch. For concealing my under eyes, I'm going to be using the same concealer, that is LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige, and then blending it using a flat concealer brush. Now setting it using a loose powder so that it doesn't crease. For contouring my face, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Contour Cream. Make sure to blend it all very nicely so that there are no harsh lines. Applying a little contour cream to my hairline as well. To get a well-sculpted look, I am highlighting just below the dark contour cream using a loose powder. You can also use a concealer that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. Now contouring my jawline and the lower part of my chin so as to hide my double chin and the face fat. I am also contouring the sides of my nose and then highlighting the bridge of my nose using the lighter shade from the same contour cream palette. For blush, I'm going to be using this Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit from the Maybelline New York. Now coming back to the lower eyes, I'm going to be using this light brown shade in my lower lash line to give it some warmth. I'm using the same turquoise shade in the lower lash line as well. Using the black eyeshadow in the corner of my eye. I'm gonna line my inner half of the waterline using Nykaa Glamour Eyes in the shade Azure Charm. And the rest of the waterline using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. For the lashes, I'm gonna be using Nykaa Turn Up the Drama eyelashes. These are ample volume plus intense lashes. For my lips, I'm gonna be mixing 2 lip shades. The first one is this Uncensored 02 from My Glam by Manish Malhotra. And on top of it, I am applying this So Matte Mini Liquid Lipstick by Nykaa in the shade Chai. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use the same highlight kit from the Maybelline, highlighting the lower part of my brows. The inner corners of my eyes, the sides of my cheeks so that when I smile, it gives a nice glow. Highlighting my chin and the bridge of my nose as well. And now setting it all up using PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please don't forget to like it and share the video with all the makeup lovers around you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of my videos in future. Thank you for watching.